Bunch of Muppets. Before we get to the bee sting, we need to lay down a solid foundation. And what's more foundational to New York's dessert scene than the iconic cheesecake? It's richer than a Wall Street banker and smoother than a Sinatra tune. Now some say cheesecake originated in ancient Greece. Ancient Greece? They couldn't even invent a decent gyro, let alone a cheesecake. New York cheesecake, that's the real deal. It's dense, creamy, and absolutely irresistible. Forget those airy-fairy mousse-like excuses for cheesecake. We're talking about a cheesecake that stands tall and proud, just like the Empire State Building. This is the kind of cheesecake that'll make you want to dance. With delight, of course. We'll be using this creamy wonder as the base for our bee sting cake, so pay attention. Number 2. The Sweet Sting of Delight. Now, onto the main event, the bee sting cake. This beauty is a symphony of textures and flavors, a real culinary masterpiece. We're talking about a soft, yeasty cake that's light as a feather, but don't let that fool you. It's topped with a crunchy caramelized layer of honey and almonds that'll make your taste buds sing. This is the kind of cake that'll make you say, "Oh my God," in a good way, not like you've just witnessed a kitchen nightmare. Think of it as a love child between a donut and a cake with a touch of honey-sweet seduction. The sting comes from the crunchy caramelized topping, but trust me, it's a sting you'll want more of. It's the kind of sting that'll leave you begging for another bite like a lovesick puppy. We'll be taking you through each step of the process, from creating the perfect yeast dough to achieving that golden brown caramel topping. So get your aprons on, you bunch of numpties, and let's get baking. Number 3, bee sting bean and stick bundt cake. Right, you donkey. We've tackled the New York cheesecake, conquered the bee sting cake, and now we're going for the hat trick. The bee sting bean and stick bundt cake. This German masterpiece is like the love child of a bee sting cake and a bundt cake, and let me tell you, it's really brilliant. We're talking a soft, yeasted dough, baked in a bundt pan to give it that elegant swirl. But the real kicker is the creamy custard filling. It's like a velvet pillow for your taste buds. And don't even get me started on the crunchy caramelized almond topping. It's the perfect blend of sweet and salty, adding a satisfying crunch to every bite. Listen, this cake is a showstopper, guaranteed to impress your guests. It's got layers, texture, flavor, and a bit of drama, just like yours truly. So put on your game face, grab your ingredients, and let's get baking this really brilliant bee sting bean and stick bundt cake. Number 3, sweet endings. Well, there you have it, you lot. 3 incredible recipes that are guaranteed to sweeten your sting. From the classic New York cheesecake to the show-stopping bee sting bean and stick bundt cake, there's something here for every dessert lover. So, what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen and whip up these delicious treats. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. For more food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.